This part started, brother. Come on. What's up, guys? And welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Brothers. Alright, so today, look who I got today.
Brayden.
Yes, it's been another week.
You made some cookies and
we've done all that. So today we're going to be making, what we're going to make today?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
And the Grinch ones.
And the Grinch ones. So,
you know. Sprinkles too.
And we got sprinkles. And we got, we got everything. We're going, there you go.
Then let's spray on let's spray on that.
Yeah. So, hey, but we got something. Well, look. What we telling? All right. So, you already know. Let's get started.
Let's skip it.
You said skip the do like me. All right. Ready? Ready? All right. And action. All right.
Little hill.
Yes, that's for the cupcake pan. Okay.
And for this.
We got the cupcake. So today it's gonna be easy. All right. You know, because as everybody know, it's been a long year.
Day.
It's been a long year, long days today. You're right about that, because it's been a long day.
The fly's
so
up
we're gonna
there.
keep it easy.
The fly's up
Yeah,
there.
you talking about the Venus flytrap. See, we caught a fly. I don't know where the fly came from, but see, now we're doing too much. Just stick to what we're doing.
It come outside.
Look, let's stick to what we're doing. All right, so we're gonna do the cupcakes. All right, keeping it simple.
Get it out.
We know how to make. You know how to make your own cake dough, right? Your cake batter. So
I need to show you.
that's in one of our other episodes that we made the white cake. So you can just click the little iCard there, and then you'll see that episode that we made our white cake. But today we cheat. All right, we're gonna use this Duncan Hines. We got Duncan Hines chocolate, dark chocolate fudge. That's gonna be good. I mean, we ain't had a good dessert in a while, so that's easy. All that takes is 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of oil, and a cup of water. Alright? That's all you need. And then we got our snap. Now go get the tips. Go over there and get the tips that came off so we got the icing, and then it got the little fancy tips. Alright, thank you.
He did it all.
Yeah, he had to go get that.
Oh, I'm right here.
So we're gonna make it nice and fancy. And then we got some sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
We got some sprinkles. Show them the sprinkles. And then we got some exercise sprinkles, to kind of pretty it up. And what else we got? We got our cupcake holders, okay? So you already know. Let's get started. Come on now, come on. See, you're doing too much. And then we got to put the tree up. See, that's what I'm saying. We got to put the tree up. You know. All right. So, like I said,
sand.
that sand. Really?
Mm-hmm.
I kind of. Well, what brown? Where you see sand that color? Where you been? What exotic island? What exotic island you been on?
I'm sure with the friends.
No, show with the friends. All right, show with the friends. You showing friends? All right. They see it. They look like sand. Y'all let us know in the comments if that look like sand. All right. Then they'll let us know if that look like sand. Okay. Yep. So what we gonna do with this? Come on, let's get it started. Like I said, we got a lot to do. Come on, Playboy. All right, come on. So we got to put our oil in. This is whole tank. This is that 1/3 cup of oil. You got it? Pour it in.
I need a story.
Oh no, not yet. We got the blender.
It looks like
we got a blender for that. All right. So we got our water. I want you to put the water in there. You got it. Is that the right hand to use? Cause what are you? You right hand, left handed? You gotta get a little taller. Right, so there we go. Now we're gonna add in our eggs. All right, now if y'all seen our episodes when we was baking, you seen how this cat over here is with the egg situation. We're gonna see where he at now. See how he involved a little bit. Yeah. Keep going. Look, a little harder. Tap a little harder. There we go. Now open it up. Oh, them skills. You and I and eggs are done for now. We're gonna have to practice off camera for a minute. Hold on. We got to make sure, babe. See, look. See the egg shells in it?
Yeah. It looks like spit.
Look at it. Look at. That's right, buddy. That was my favorite thing to do when I was a kid. Alright, you guys, I think we're about done now. Alright. We're gonna get this in a measuring cup so it's easy to pour into the cupcake baking dish. Like,
we're here?
yep, man, I got you. I got you. I got you, man. I got you, man.
You got me?
You got chocolate all over your mouth.
Mouth?
Yeah. All right. Okay. So, I put. No. no.
Put all of them.
I'm gonna pour it into the cupcake liners. All right. I'm gonna do that, and you want to do that about halfway. Because you know they will rise. Alright? And that just makes it easier. Alright?
Looks like
It's
chocolate.
simple, yeah. Just fill it halfway. Alright?
It looks like a snake.
Yeah. Oh, snake. Yeah, it does. Oozing out like that, huh? Alright. Oh, so let's pull it up a little bit. Oh! Granny gonna mess it up. She was doing so good. Alright. Sit back, player.
That chocolate good.
So we're gonna fill all those, and y'all see what we doing, all right? Okay, so we'll be back, and then I already got my oven preheating. Yeah. Let's do this.
And that one's to fill up? Let me see. Oh, that is not fill up. It's little chocolate on that.
Yeah.
Ah! Big chocolate.
Big chocolate. Ooh, that's a lot, man. That's a lot. I still, you know what? I still ain't cooked dinner yet. I still ain't seen what we're gonna have to do. Alright, y'all.
See? Yo, why are you looking at it?
Because I got on my finger. Just like
Need
you
more?
You
You need more to pour it in? That chocolate good. It tastes like
We're gonna fill that up. Alright?
sour cream.
That's not sour.
Chocolate? They do the Oreo.
Yeah.
Why lick? Oh, okay. You lick.
Alright, y'all. We're gonna get this oven. We'll be right back. Alright? Let's go. Let's go, play.
Wait, I'll lick the whole thing.
Oh, you pull it. Ooh, thank you. Appreciate that, bro. Alright, we got the 12 cupcakes. 12 cupcakes. Okay, you want to close it back up? Close it up. Oh, nice and slow. Aha! Alright, we're going to put the timer on, right? Timer. And it's 18 minutes. And we're going to start.
I'm gonna get one in that. I'm gonna get one in.
Break. Do you know what you're doing? What is this? You got a white beater. One.
I got a white beater. I need a shirt.
Wait, let me try this first because I usually use a spread, but they got the little pan here where you can, need the pastry. The pastry, and you just, I'm gonna get one of those and you do this. Makes it a little easier. So we're gonna see. Hold on, let's see what it do, okay? Oh!
Yeah! It looks like party stuff.
It sounds like fire. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it or something. I don't know. Okay, let's do this. It did make a fart sound. That was funny.
It's funny for the
Yeah, that was
looks like
funny.
a brownie cereal like this.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, it's really good too.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a foul.
I hope not. Let's try it. Let's see.
It'll be a farting sound. It looks like a farting sound.
Ah.
It looks like a
good.
fart.
That's pretty cool.
This
I
one
like
is.
that, man. You want to try it?
Uh-huh.
Man, just in case we run out, we got some frosting, but okay, here. You hold it. So this, give me your hand. So this is, so you have to like push it, okay? So it has to be. Hold on. No. You gotta hold it like this. I don't know. This might be a little too complicated for you, brother. Let me get you over here like this. All right. Then you wanna? I gotta show you how to do it. Okay. Then you push. So you got stuff frosting on your fingers. You got frosting on your fingers. You can't do it because you got frosting on your fingers. How'd that happen? All right, let me make that up.
I look like in.
Yeah, you ready? Let's try it one more time. Oh, hold on. Cut. Yeah, that thing, yeah, that opening game off. Come on. You still. Okay.
You're looking on them like a farting sound.
I'm gonna finish this myself.
No, don't put it. Don't make it.
It's too advanced for him, y'all. But we gonna work it out. But I think it's pretty cool. We got it. All right.
It
You
not
can
look
get
like
a little
a
fancy if you
farting
want it
sound.
with it, but
But it look like not farting sound.
ain't no farting sound. You just, you something else.
It don't look like a farting sound.
Stop saying fart.
That's funny too. It looks like a fart.
It did come out like a fart, though.
Look like a fart.
You know, this can got that much ice in it. I don't know, it's kind
Quick, rich, flip.
of. Grinch is doing the most, as you say.
Put it right here.
Yeah, these gonna be good. These gonna
I'm
be a good little
that's
night,
good.
midnight little snacky food.
snacky boo.
Snacky poo. Get a little dessert.
Don't say snacky poo.
Snacky poo poo.
Snacky poo poo.
Snack. I think this is Duncan. Okay,
Why taste this? I want to taste that.
I'm sorry. I can make my own buttermilk frosting though. And I'm just gonna give me one of these pastry.
I want to taste them in that.
Hold on, we're gonna taste them together.
You need to eat 1 and 2.
And 1 and 2.
You have more.
Yeah. We got another batch to go. We got another 12 to
Eat
go.
one,
We got
too.
frosting for that.
Put 1 too.
And then these fancy
This
this fancy can
Uncle
bar.
Money. This is
Uncle Money? What about your pop?
You can put 1 too.
He gonna eat a couple of them, I'm sure.
Uncle Money wants them. I will bring a friend.
And you bring it up for him?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on, player. We ain't even done yet.
You done with that?
Oh, let's get down to that. Whoa!
It looks like a farting
Look at that. That's pretty cool, though.
What is no?
Okay. So, we'll put some of these sprinkles. Why are you so excited about the sprinkles? Nah, hold on.
Sprinkles good.
We finish that one over there later. I'm excited about that. Alright, let me open this up. Hold on. Okay. I still ain't made dinner yet, y'all.
Licky though.
I still got more to go. Get over here. Get on.
What it tastes like?
I still got more cooking to do. We gotta eat some Saturday night.
That's good. Sprinkles good.
Word, cuz, bust it.
You say that?
That's a slang. That's a 90.
Yeah, that's still
For your
good.
time, brother.
Oh, that's busted.
Bust it.
I don't even need to do with my hands.
Okay, let me test it out first. All right, let's see what it do.
Whoa.
Let's test it out. Hold on, let me show you how to do it. All right, hold on. Oh, those are turning out pretty good, boy.
Oh, pretty good.
Nice. All right, that's it. Okay. All right, go ahead. Put some on this one, please. We don't need to get enough over that. You got your own. Oh, that's pretty good, man.
And this is my own.
What?
This.
Yeah, this one.
You fall in mouth.
That's okay. That's why you got them on the. That's why we got them on the tray.
Oh, let's put it right here.
Maybe none of that one. I need a napkin.
Some.
You ain't eating none of them.
I
Always
really
got
want.
the snack booms. I mean the veggies and stuff. Oh, let me hang things up. Alright, hold on.
Stocky.
Alright, so we're gonna get this together. Alright, these turned out pretty good, man. I think so. Don't you think so? I think they turned out pretty good. These are your Grinch. These are your Grinch cupcakes, my man. That was a very good idea.
It has sprinkles.
I'm so glad you thought of this idea to make cupcakes. I am. That is, and then you called them the Grinch. But you know, I was gonna get a little fancy. We was gonna make a Grinch punch. We gonna have to work that out. We're gonna incorporate that in somehow one day. Alright.
I want to eat.
Okay, so we're gonna put that to the side. Alright, I'm gonna make my fingers off. So we licky. Always licky. Oh, I got. Come on, player. Alright, we gotta show them off the cupcakes, alright? Let's show them what they look like. Alright, so you gonna eat one? Okay, hold on. Slow down. Let me put the camera up on you. Alright? Alright, y'all. Our Grinch cupcakes are done. Alright, and I think we did pretty good. Boy, those look nice. Those are beautiful.
You want some kids?
They're gonna get some. Their mama's gonna, or daddy's gonna make them some, okay? That's why we doing it, so we can show them how to make it, okay? So let's taste and see what they like. Alright, here you go. Let me open up yours. Oh, those are nice. No, I got you. I got you, brother.
This mine?
I got you. Let's show the people how pretty those look. Oh, those look so pretty. Alright, here you go. That's yours. And we're going to bite it together, alright? So hold two hands. Hold it with two hands. Alright? Okay, hold it. You got it? No, don't put it all the way off unless you just absolutely have to. Okay, now hold it. Hold it. And I'm going to get mine, okay? So let's do it at the same time, okay? Look, let's go do it at the same time. We're going to taste it at the same time. So 1, 2, 3.
Look at what?
Lick your lip. Somebody lick my lip. Lick your lip. Very good. Alright, y'all. So, we want to tell everybody. Thank you for watching, you guys.
Bye.
And thank all those who are new to the channel. We appreciate the love. Just make sure you click the reminder button. And so, next time we upload another video, you'll get a reminder, alright? So, bye kids. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Blah, blah. Who is that?
Let me see your reflection. Alright.
Who's kicking me? Who's scratching the teeth?
I don't know who's dragging the butt.
What you cooking, Roach? What you smell?